Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, today in the second video I think we could take a look at the Great British Pound. On the gold market it's actually nothing significant has happened since our yesterday discussion, and mostly everything stands the same, so we'll still keep watching on the free drive pattern on the daily chart, I mean on the gold market. But on the Great British Pound we're coming to the final stage of our first part of the long-term trading plan. If you remember in the weekly report when we talked about the Great British Pound, we said first, we are watching for a reaching of the OP target. So if it will be possible, you could try to take position on the 30% pullback. But yes, it was really fast on the Jerome Powell comments. It's really just within an hour. It was spike here, and hardly you are in time to catch this spike. And second, as we said, don't worry about it, since we have the long-term bearish view in the Great British Pound. Wait when the market will hit the daily OP. And now that has happened. So you can see market has completed our A, B, C, top, D pattern. Speaking on this pattern, it is really high odds that market should continue downward action. Because take a look, the CD leg is straightforward. It's much faster than an AB leg. And in such circumstances, market usually shows the continuation to the XOP downward action. But at the same time, market stands at the extension, and minor relief, maybe pullback here is possible. And our second stage of a trading plan suggests watching for a brand body trade here, because actually, guys, we have the pretty nice downward action. It's really good thrust down, and if we get lucky and market shows the 30% pullback, retesting, for example, DP point as well, this will be 2850 area. If it will be this pullback, we could get the brand by the sell, and that will be the perfect setup for taking the short position. That's what we will keep an eye on the daily chart of Great British Pound. At the same time, on the 4-hour time frame chart, we have another extension is completed. So recall our initial A, B, C top pattern. Now the XOP also has been hit. This stands at the same target as the larger AB equals CD. So these two targets stands at this point. Finally, at the hourly chart, you can see that these targets have been finalized by the butterfly pattern. So that was the Jerome Powell comments. So in the current circumstance, we can't call you to trade this on the long side of the market. It's too risky, but it's not forbidden, so you should make the decision by yourself. Would you like to take the long position in the current circumstances with the only extensions on the back and this butterfly? So that could be rather risky. Maybe you will apply the smaller trading volume of your position. So, but that's the setup that exists. So this choice is up to you. For us, this major scenario, major patterns that we are watching for is ability for taking the short position. So we're searching chance to go short instead of trading short-term patterns on the long side of the market. And for us, any pullback here is just moments to sit on the hands and watch what will happen, waiting when the market will reach the predefined area. If it will appear around 2850 area, so in this case we'll make the decision, consider chances on taking the short position. But our trading plan doesn't suggest taking any long position currently. So this is the setup that we will follow on the Great British Pound right now. So let's keep watching. It will be good if we will get the brand by the sell. It will be great assistance to us, and we will be able to take the short position based on this pattern. Speaking about taking the long position, well, theoretically it is possible, but this choice is up to you because overall context stands bearish, and you can see that overall price action stands really fast and strong. And as you can see, this brings additional risk of taking any long position in current circumstances. So that's our view on the cable.